Let's look at one of the answers to the time value of money quiz number 3 now. This was the essential quiz that had a value of 10 coming in at time period 1, 9 in time period 2, 8 in time period 3, and so on down the line. So you can see that it's declining $1 every single time period from periods 1 through 12. Now what you should be seeing here is that this looks like there's a constant series here for sure. This is where you start off at as 10. And what you're doing is you're subtracting a linear gradient from it each one of the time periods. So the way of visualizing it is that it all starts out at 10 all the way across here. And what you're doing in time period 2 is subtracting off 1. In time period 3, you're subtracting off 2. In time period 4, you're subtracting off 3. And you're subtracting off 4, subtracting off 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time period 11, you're subtracting off all 10. And then you're subtracting off 11 to get yourself down to -1 in time period 12. So clearly you're dealing with this constant series of 10 that goes across, and then this linear gradient series, both of which are, well, actually the constant series needs to be time shifted, but the linear gradient series does not. So let's start off with the constant series. It starts off as something which is 10 high. So we're looking for present worth. We know that the A, that constant amount that's there every single time period, is 10. The interest rate is, as usual, something arbitrary, and then all we have to do is count the number of non-zero elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 12 of them right there. Now, all this stuff, you gather it together, and it dumps it right in time period 0. So, excuse me for misspeaking, that actually doesn't have to be time shifted at all. It's good just as it stands. The linear gradient component is something that starts in time period 2, which is proper for a linear gradient component, goes down $1 every single time period. So its capital G is actually a -1, and I'll put it there in parentheses like that. You're looking for P, given you know G, here's the interest rate, and the N is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 1 for the pot, or 12. Now with linear gradients, you got to remember that 1 for the pot rule. And what this is doing is it's gathering all these negative values and dumping them already in time period 0, so there's no additional time shifting to do. And this is just one way of representing the present worth of this particular series. Thank you.